Hi Hadi, today we're going to draw a nice calligraphy, usually in Arabic word. Let's start the drawing. Alright. Usually the Arabic words, they start the writing and reading style from the right side and finishes or ends up in the left side. Alright. So the thickness of the line drawings, some are narrow, some are thicker. Alright. Some symbols you can see here. Alright, so you can see the presentations here. Now I'm going to fill up the spaces inside. Alright, let's finish drawing by filling up the spaces in the middle. Alright. Alright, so you can see the drawing is complete and the usual presentations of the calligraphy. It looks good. I hope you like the video and please subscribe the channel. Put the bell icon on to get the updates. You can also browse through our playlist to select different drawings in many categories. We have lots of drawings out there. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.